Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss. It's the best hula hoop for kids ages 4 to 8 available on the market, the Liberry Kids Exercise Hoop. This detachable and adjustable plastic toy fitness hoop is perfect for beginners and children of various ages. Let's dive into the details. The Liberry Kids Exercise Hoop comes in a pack of 3, providing endless entertainment for kids at parties or events. The hoop is adjustable in size, with options for 6 or 7 sections to cater to your child's size. Additionally, the weight of the hoop can be adjusted by adding rice or beans to each section, making it more challenging as your child grows. This fitness hoop helps develop gross motor skills, flexibility, and balance in children. It encourages physical activity and outdoor play, promoting a healthy and active lifestyle early on. The adjustable size and weight ensure that the hoop can grow with your child, providing long-lasting entertainment and fitness benefits. In conclusion, the Liberry Kids Exercise Hoop is the best hula hoop for kids ages 4 to 8. Its adjustable size and weight, along with its durable construction, make it a fantastic choice for young children. Whether it's for play, exercise, or training, this hoop offers endless possibilities for fun and development. That's it for today's review of the Liberry Kids Exercise Hoop. If you're looking for a quality hula hoop for your child, be sure to check out this product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.